Hey everyone, how are you doing today? My name is Leo. I'm here with Choate Engineering Performance. Today we're going to be talking about a few products that we have listed online on our Amazon, our website, and on eBay. I am our lead sales specialist for online sales, and today's episode is actually sponsored by Choate Diesel Solutions, and we look forward to working with you guys. All right, let's tear into our box over here. This is our oil change in a box, which is going to include 4 gallons of SCHAEFFER'S oil, durability advantage 15W40. That oil is something that we use and we recommend for pretty much all of our builds, so it's very convenient to go ahead and get this package, which will include with everything that you need to go ahead and change your oil. It's also going to include our Motorcraft oil filter, which is FL216, which is recommended by Ford, the manufacturer, for pretty much anything that uses this filter, any motor. We're also including these very cherry red fit of the theme for SCHAEFFER'S oil, super absorbent shop rags. These guys, as you can see, we have plenty of them. We also want to include it with the kit for you as well. This kit is very convenient. It has everything you need to change your oil, as all comes ready for you in a box. All you got to do is get down to it and just get to work. Thanks everyone for watching. Our showcase product today was SCHAEFFER'S oil change in a box. It is now available on Amazon, Choate Engineering website, and it will be available on eBay this fall of 2022. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a like and subscribe.